In this guide, I'm going to explain what is Roblox Select and how can you update it. Let's get started. Roblox Select is an age-based account tier designed for users between the ages of 9 to 15. It's part of Roblox system that helps group accounts based on age so the players get a more suitable and safer experience while using the platform. If you're wondering how to update to the Roblox Select, the important thing to understand is that you actually don't update it manually like an app. Instead, it is fully controlled by Roblox system in the background. The transition between account types happens automatically. For example, when a user turns 9-year-old, their account may move from Roblox Kids into Roblox Select tier. Later, once the user reaches 16 years old, the system will automatically upgrade the account into a standard Roblox account. This means the changes are tied directly to your age, not a button or a setting you can manually switch. Another important factor is age verification. Roblox may ask users to confirm their age using methods like government ID verification or facial age estimation. Once the verification is completed, the system automatically places the account into the correct category. So in short, there is no manual update Roblox Select button. Everything is handled automatically by Roblox based on your age progression and verification status. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.